Alright, if you got a Sprinter van and you put in a Honda Odyssey power seat, safety first. I'm making this video to show you how easy it is to swap out this seatbelt buckle. So this just pulls off. Don't worry about breaking it because it's just little plastic clips that will come right off. It's up back here. Alright, there's a little captive screw that holds it back right here. I'll remove that. Just to, no, I'll leave it be. Alright, so, you can probably see that bolt right there. Strap. My new ratchet from Japan, Vessel branded. Let's try it out. Oh, too much force for it. Nice. So, Oregon Auto Group in Eugene hooked me up with this. They're really good at listing engines and packaging them up. They did a really good job selling me a good engine. I was really impressed that they labeled it properly on the listing and capped off all anything that could leak. Bam! Look how easy that was. Alright, now I still got to solve, this one needs to be bolted on the other side over there, but simple as that. Much safer.